Yeah, hi, my name is Amar Bharathi, and I was like, I came to here to know about VJS, Dr. VJS Prepare for like 2 years before, wherein I had a large, stomach, wherein I was very uncomfortable with that. Also, I just want to know about the things. So where I come, or like I was searching when I was searching in the online was very, I got to know about Dr. VJS. So I considered at the time last 2 years before working. So I came to the doctor. Wherein when I asked, I had some like issues with going with the surgery, wherein I can have the surgery or not. So after coming here, seeing the atmosphere and speaking with the doctor, I have got a confidence that I can go with an abdominoplasty as well. So it took time for few years to go with the things and all, to know about the surgery and all. But once I came to Dr. VJS, so actually I was a diabetic patient, so wherein my sugar levels are very high when I come here. So after coming here, like Vijay Kumar sir and Madhav sir had treated me as well, and they had suggested me to go with the general physician Dr. Ramesh Garu, and he had given us like a good medication wherein I was treated first for my diabetes, and then after that I had undergone for a surgery. Actually I had undergone surgery like for 3 hours, wherein I had such a difficult when I was feeling like maybe the surgery can be difficult. But when I come to know, when I was in a theater, very like Vijay Kumar sir, everyone had cooperated with me, as well as I didn't feel any tension regarding this surgery. Okay, so after I went through, within 8 days, my stitches, everything got healed, and very perfectly my everything was gone. After that, I removed my whatever I felt very I can't say about my feelings, wherein I reduced my weight, wherein I can see my preferences, as well as through going through the shape on my where I have such a great feelings from so many years, like I want to look like this, wherein now I am looking very perfect in shape, and my surgery got successful. And due to this sugars or diabetic levels, wherein my wound was also very clean, and here Vijay Kumar sir is very well, and wherein I can say there are not many things like hair transplantation, like so many surgeries was going on, but all the cases which are successful. And I prefer you to consult with Vijay Kumar sir, as well as the atmosphere and people how they are treating. Even I came to the surgery as I came alone to the surgery, so wherein all the people like Amla madam or anyone who is assistant here was like treating us like it was like a only atmosphere, like wherein I cope up with the things and I done very well, and I have cope up with the things. Now I was like very thankful to each and everyone in Dr. VJS. Thank you so much.